If you're a doctor building a practice, a startup, or a service, you already know who you want to reach. The problem isn't the idea, the problem is the time it takes to find those people, research them, write something that doesn't sound like a template, and then follow up 3 times without going insane. Most founders I know either do this manually, which kills their week, or they blast generic cold emails and wonder why nobody replies. This video shows you a third option, an AI outreach engine that finds your ideal prospects, researches their specific context, and writes a personalized first message automatically. No coding required. I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works using two diagrams I'll show you on screen now. Before we go deep, let me show you the whole system first so you know where today fits. There are four workflows that connect together. Think of them as four departments inside one automated sales machine. Workflow 1, which is what we are covering today, is lead acquisition. This is where the machine finds your people, researches them, and writes their first message. It fills a Google Sheet with ready to send outreach, as I showed you earlier. Workflow 2 takes that sheet and handles your LinkedIn actions, connecting requests, follow up messages using tools like Phantom Buster or Wallach CI. Workflow 3 runs your email sequences, follow ups that go over days and weeks through Gmail or SendGrid. And workflow 4 is where someone responds and wants to talk. It syncs to your calendar and CRM automatically. HubSpot, Go High Level, Google Calendar, whichever you use. I'm going to put these tools link in the description below. Today is entirely workflow 1. Get this one right and the rest of the system has fuel to run on. Let's start. This is workflow 1. Let's go step by step. Step 1 is Apollo query trigger. You start by telling Apollo who you want to reach, job title, industry, company size, geography. For a doctor founder, that might be chief medical officers at health tech companies, 50 to 500 employees, US based. Apollo goes and finds those people and returns a raw list. This is your ICP, your ideal customer profile, turned into actual humans with names and contact info. Step 2, poll until complete. The automation just waits. Apollo takes anywhere from 30 seconds to a couple of minutes to finish scraping. The workflow checks every few seconds until the list is ready. Nothing manual here, it just waits and moves on when it's done. Step 3 is filter leads. This is an underrated step. Before any AI touches your data, you clean it, remove anyone with a bad email format, remove duplicates, filter out the wrong geography or seniority level, garbage in, garbage out, and AI makes garbage sound very confident, so clean your list first. Step number 4 is looper lead. Now the workflow takes every single contact and processes them one at a time through the next 3 steps. This is what makes personalization at scale possible. Each person gets their own individual pass through AI. Step 5 is enrich profile. This is where Claude comes in. For each contact, Claude reads their LinkedIn URL. It's looking at their recent posts, any company news, funding rounds, product launches, tech stack mentions. It builds a context profile, a paragraph of relevant intelligence about that specific person. This is the Claude Opus model, by the way. Opus is slower and cost a bit more, but for this step, you want depth. You want the AI to actually understand this person. Is You want the AI to actually understand who this person is before it writes anything. So go with Claude Opus. Step number 6 is generate icebreaker. Claude now takes that context and writes one personalized line, one sentence that references something real about their world. Let me give you an example. Saw you are rolling out Epic Beaker. Our FDA cleared MRI triage slots right into that stack. That's not hi, first name, I notice you work at that company. That is a sentence that proves you did your homework and it took 4 seconds per lead. Step number 7 is build the message copy. Claude Instant, a faster, cheaper model, now takes the icebreaker and builds out a full message. It writes an email version and a LinkedIn version, different tone with the same context. The email is a bit longer and more formal. The LinkedIn message is shorter and conversational. You can give Claude a template here that matches your voice. The more examples you give it of messages that have worked for you, the better the output gets. Say step number 8, save to Google Sheets. Everything lands in one clean spreadsheet. Name, email, LinkedIn, icebreaker, email intro, LinkedIn intro, source, date. You now have a sheet full of warm research, personalized outreach, ready to review and send. Some people review every row before it goes out. Others let workflow 2 fire automatically. That's a personal choice depending on how much you trust the output. So to recap what you actually saw, one automated workflow that scrapes your ICP, waits for the list, cleans it, loops through every contact, enriches their profile with AI, writes a personalized icebreaker, builds a full message, and saves everything to a sheet. That's the work of a full-time SDR running in the background while you are seeing patients or building a product. The next videos in this series are going to cover workflow 2, how how to actually send those LinkedIn messages at scale, and workflow 3, building the follow-up sequences, what do the heavy lifting after the first touch. If this was useful, follow me so you don't miss those. And if you're a doctor or a founder building something that you want to talk through how this applies to a specific situation, drop a comment below. I'll reply personally. See you in the next one. Bye.